Hi, this video is to highlight some of the great apps available on our school iPads. I have been created using the Telegummy app, but more about that later. Right now let's look at some apps that could be used during literacy time.
Hi everybody, it's me, Jaden. I'm doing my spelling right now on the iPad. Mr. Priest has logged me into this really fun app where I can do lots of great activities using the same spelling words that they'd be using in there. My favorite is definitely Hangouts. Well, even though I didn't win, it was still a great game.
Emily is about to use the ABC Tracer app for handwriting. Go ahead, Emily. So it traces, you copy. Good one. B. Well done, Emily.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many reading and comprehension apps as well. So how about some numeracy apps?
Okay, Shania is about to use the Tables Cloud Click app that we have. Go ahead, Shania. Nice job.
And that's how we do it.
That's it. Hope is using the Math Kit app. Here she goes. And if you presses the question mark, she'll get fingers to show her how to do it. Press those fingers, Hope. Let's see what happens. There they are. And the answer is... Count those fingers. There you go. Well done, Hope. Jacob is about to use the Maths Academy app. Here he goes. Whoops. There he goes. Nice one. Max is going to be using the Tell Time app. Here he goes. That's it, Max. You've got 10 out of 10.
I
Well done, mate.
There are many other creative apps so students can demonstrate their understanding in different ways.
Hello, today we are going to show you an app called Creations and how you can use it. You can take a photo,
then you can draw on it
and record your voice at the same time.
Today we're looking at right angles under the collar. And here is a few more right angles. Here is two more right angles. As you can see, there's lots of right angles under the collar.
Okay, I'm using the app that's called Show Me to do this. Now we started with a really nice photo here of Miss Shelley, and we used an app called Be Funky to produce this border in this particular picture. Now from the picture we used Be Funky again, and we changed the colour settings, and then we used the result of that in Zoodle Comics to produce our final result, which is a Zoodle comic with Miss Shelley with a few words added there. So there's three apps there. We've got Show Me doing this whole demonstration. We've used Be Funky, and then we finally used Zoodle Comics. Hope you enjoyed it.
Dakota is using our Hello Crayons. It's a great drawing app. Go ahead, Dakota. And she can change colour anytime she wants to. And she's drawing a tree.
We have been learning about density and air in science. We made a puppet show about this.
Did you know that hot air rises because it is less dense than cold air?
And this means cold air moves to replace the hot air.
Wow, that's cool!
Really cool, in fact. That's how wind happens.
Yes, because the air is moving!
We love science!
Yeah!
Up to now you have heard me talking a computer-style voice. That's because Mr. Priest has been typing words in for me to say. But with Telegami you can record your own voice as well. Let's see how Mrs. Howard has used this app.
This is South Africa. This is where my mum grew up. The countryside is very similar to our Australian outback. The name of the farm where my mum grew up is called Kapok.
Well, that's all from us, and I hope you really enjoyed watching all our apps in action.